American MLRS units trained to engage counter-fire acquisitions within 2 minutes of receiving the Q-37 data in order to strike enemy artillery before they can stow and displace. The older M270 launcher requires a crew to stay on firing point with the weapon laid on a center grid of a suspected area of enemy artillery in order to meet the 2-minute standard, in what is known as the stay hot, shoot fast technique. The newer M270 Alpha 1 and HIMARS with faster lane times do not need to risk this exposure in order to engage the enemy before you can displace from its firing point. Notice on the right, you can see the HIMARS launcher moving from the hide location to the firing point. The launcher has no mounted cruiser weapons or heavy armor to defend it. The crew relies on hiding as much as possible. Once they fire, they protect themselves by moving at least 500 meters from the firing point before finding another hide area. The launcher on point has global positioning system capabilities, facilitating precise, accurate, and allowing it to fire the latest guided MLRS rockets and ATACMS missiles. As mentioned previously, the HIMARS also has the improved launcher mechanical systems, producing lane times measured in seconds rather than minutes. For our demonstrations, let's assume that the enemy has detected the gun position and has begun to fire upon them. The counter-fire acquisition is now arriving at the fire direction center. Now witness as the FDC clears the target, transmits the fire mission, and the launchers engage the enemy. Counterfire is one of the primary missions of the MLRS units. With max ranges of 32 to 300 kilometers, depending on munition, MLRS gives the commander deep strike capabilities against the command and control elements. Combat support units